Hi children, let's color the elephant. Wow, we are using grey color to color the elephant. Mostly elephants of grey color. G-R-E-Y, grey. Coloring is really fun. Wow, good job. Nice. We are doing very well. Excellent. Yes. You have to be very careful at the corners when you color. Yes. The color should not come out. You're doing great. Yes. Coloring is fun. Coloring is so fun. Well done. The tail is remaining. We have to complete the tail also. Wow, the picture's looking so great. Oh, we have done it. Good job. Oh, we have one more picture. Big whale. So we'll be using the same grey color for the whale. Okay. After coloring, they look so beautiful. Wow. You are doing great job. Good job. Yes, good. Red for the fish. Very good. Well done. Yes. Oh, there's a turtle. We'll use brown color for the turtle. Done. It looks great. And there's a crab there. Crab also. And starfish. Yes. Good. It looks great. And for the crab, we can use pink color. Wow. The picture looks so great. Oh, we have such a beautiful picture. Let's color the trees green. Wow. Picture is so beautiful. The sky full of stars. Wow. Green color for the trees. They look so great. Good job. Yes, good. Looks very nice. Well done. Very good. Yes. And we can use yellow color for the moon and the stars. Yes, good. Yellow color for the moon and the stars. How many stars are there? So many stars. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 stars. Well done, we have colored the stars. Okay, now we'll use pink color for the owl. You know why, children? If you use brown color, no, it will look dull. So we should use a bright color so that our picture looks bright. Bright and good and beautiful. Well done, the owl is looking so good with that color. Wow. Very good. Let's continue. Let's complete it. Well done. Good job. Oh, the picture looks so fantastic. Very good. Good job. Well done. We have completed it. Let's see, we have one more picture. Oh, the frog, the naughty frog. So we'll be using green color for the naughty frog. The frog is smiling. The frog is very happy. We also should be happy children in our lives, isn't it? Yes, the green color is looking so nice on the frog. Yes, green color for the frog. Green color for the frog. Good. Looks very nice. Carry on. Let's continue. Yeah. very good. Excellent, excellent. Oh, it's looking so beautiful. The frog is looking so nice. And let's use blue color for the water. The water. We can use light blue for the water. Yes. Good, good, good. Very good. Yes. Good job. Okay, this side also. We have to complete this side also. Yes. We have done it. Good job. It's looking so beautiful. Wow. Well done. Good. Now do we have any other picture? Let's see. One more picture. One more. Oh, the fruits are there. They look so nice. The apple is always red, so we'll color it red. And you know, children, we have a strawberry. Strawberries are also red, so we can use red color for the strawberries. And then cherries are there. Cherries. So we can color the cherries red. Cherries also we can color red, color red, color. They look so bright. Wow, they're so happy. Well done. Now for the orange, we can use orange color or green for the leaves. Yes, green, green, green. Leaves are green. Yes. Yeah, very good. Well done, well done. Yeah, the carrot's leaves are also green. We have a carrot, we have an orange, we have a banana to color. Oh, perfect color for the carrot. Well done. Orange color. An orange color for the orange. Yes. And yellow color for the banana. Banana yellow color. Oh, they look so real. Beautiful coloring. Well done. Now next we have one more picture. Oh, the cat looking at the fish. Now let's color the water blue. Color the water blue. Color the water blue. Well done, well done, well done. Good job. Good job. Good. Yes. Yes. Good. And we can use any other color for the fish. Oh yes, pink color. Yeah, it's going on well. The fish. Very, very good. Pink for the fish. Yeah, it looks so nice. And then for the cat, we can use brown color. Yes, light brown, yes. It looks so real. Very good. We are doing great job. The tail is remaining. Yes. Oh, done. The picture looks so good. Next we have a dog. Oh, let's use the same light brown color for the dog. Dog. Dog is also very happy. Yes. Okay. Good. We are doing very well. Very good. Yes. Good. Yeah, the dog looks so real in that light brown color. And the tail also, tail color brown. Yes. Very good. Oh, it looks so nice. And then we can use which color? For that yellow color. Yeah. So we have done it. Bye, children.